Using saved audience to save your commonly used targeting options. Hey there everyone! The Facebook advertising and remarketing platform has some of the coolest and most complete audience targeting features that you can find on the market. One of its best features is that it allows you to save commonly used targeting options to an audience so you don't have to set them all up from scratch every time that you create a remarketing campaign. You can do that by creating a saved audience. And in this lesson, we are going to show you how to do it the right way. Start on the Ads Manager and click on the Menu button. Now click on the Audience option. On the next page, click on the Create a Saved Audience option from the Create Audience menu. Now it is time to create a new saved audience. First, enter a name for your new saved audience in the Audience Name field. If you want to get the audience setup information from a custom or lookalike audience, simply click on the Custom Audiences field and then select a lookalike audience or custom audience. In this example, we'll add the audience setup manually, so we will skip this step. You have to start by selecting a location criteria. You can select everyone in this location, people who live in this location, people recently in this location, and people traveling in this location. This criteria will depend on your objective. After selecting your criteria, you have to select your target locations. To do this, click on the Add More Locations field and type the name of the location that you want to target. Select the location by clicking on it when it appears in the results. You can add more locations by repeating these steps. Okay, now select the starting age and top age of your audience. Then select the gender. Then select the language or languages. To select the language, click on the Enter a Language field and type the name of the language. Click on the name of the language when it appears in the results, and repeat these steps to add more languages if you need to. In the Detailed Targeting section, you can include or exclude people to your saved audience based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. You can add any of those attributes by clicking on the Add Demographics, Interests, and Behaviors field and typing a keyword that describes the attribute that you want to target. Click on the name of the attribute when it appears in the results and repeat these steps to add more. You can also click on Browse to locate attributes manually by category. Lastly, you can add a connection. A connection is the relation that a user has with your Facebook business page, app, or event. There are several types of connections that you can use to filter your audience, including people who like your page, friends of people who like your page, people who've used your app, and people who've responded to your event. Now that you've made all your selections, review your setup, and then click on Create Audience. Doesn't get easier than this.